Revolution of the Earth. The movement of the Earth in its orbit around the Sun in an anti-clockwise direction is called revolution. The Earth performs its rotation and revolution simultaneously. Orbit is the fixed path which the Earth follows while revolving around the Sun. The period taken by the Earth to complete one revolution is 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days is known as a calendar year for the sake of convenience. These 6 hours add up to make one extra day in a span of 4 years. This one day is added to the fourth calendar year so that it has 366 days. Effects of revolution of the Earth. Seasons are parts of the year marked by temperature differences and particular daylight hours and weather. The revolution of the Earth and the tilt or inclination of the Earth's axis in the same direction throughout the year results in the change of seasons. The year is divided into 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Seasons change due to the change in the position of the Earth around the Sun. The seasons are each of 3 months' duration in mid-latitudes. In subtropical areas, only 3 seasons are experienced. These are summer, winter, and rainy season. Around the equator, only 2 seasons, summer and winter, are experienced, and that too with small changes. Around the poles, summer and winter are each of 6 months' duration. While winter is very cold, summer is not much warm in polar regions.